the clouds of mosquitoes around you in the forest is not a sign that you don't belong there. Quite the opposite. When you are part of a group whose purpose is not aligned with the purpose of your life, you will experience loneliness. Loneliness has nothing to do with physical presence. It has all to do with the presence of purpose shared. And once we establish that, it becomes evident why it is always so healing to immerse in nature. And remember, bring as much nature as you can into your life. Keep track of the species you actively interact, the species you are capable of including in your intelligence. Make nature the mainstream of your life and stay cool.